Ano nga ba ang MRI? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Ang Mortgage Redemption Insurance or MRI sa Pag-ibig Financing is an insurance that protects the borrower and their family. If you avail Pag-ibig Housing Loan, mandatory ang pagkuha ng MRI. Ang purpose nito ay bayaran ang natitirang loan balance in case of unexpected events such as borrower's death. Kaya kahit na may mangyari, hindi magiging pabigat sa pamilya ang pagbabayad sa loan. In short, it provides financial security for borrowers and their family. If nagustuhan mo ang video na to, don't forget to like, share, and follow my page Home Search Journey. This is Janice Maglambayan, your property specialist. See you on my next video.